From chapter 36, verse 37.
Chapter 36?
Verse 37.
Which chapter is? I couldn't get it.
Chapter 36.
36, yes. 36. Yes. اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم سبحان الذی خلق الازواج کلها مما تنبت الارض ومن انفسهم ومما لا یعلمون. The translation is, holy is he who created all things in pairs, of what the earth grows and of themselves and of what they know not. This is verse number 37 from chapter number 35. Chapter number 36, Surah Yasin.
Huzur, what is the reference in وَمِمَّا لَا يَعْلَمُونَ?
What is the meaning of this وَمِمَّا لَا يَعْلَمُونَ?
First of all, there are two things mentioned here which people of Arab knew very well. That the date trees have couples, and fermentation, pollination is important. About no other fruit tree they knew that it happens. The second thing they knew was that human beings, animals are in couples. So two things are those which they were known to them. But about the fact that the scientific world is based on couples in every form. All matter is divided into couples. Positive matter, negative matter. The electricity you know very well. There is positive electricity, there is negative electricity. And like human beings, the positive and negative attract each other. So it's amazing, Allah's creation, that couples are found in everything. In the molecules there are couples, in the atoms there are couples, in the subatomic world there are couples, in matter there are also couples in the form, as scientists describe, matter and antimatter. They tell us that in the universe some parts of the matter, some mass of matter is antimatter. If the rest of the matter is brought close to them, they will disappear, both of them. So that solves the problem of creation from nothingness. Amazing things, unbelievable, mind-boggling things happening. So this is the meaning of this verse you have just quoted.